But wait! If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the love. Okay, now you can continue watching. And then, to neaten it, I like to do this. One side here, and you're done. And then I like to tie it to the back, like that. There. Okay. The problem with this is that sometimes you have Mickey Mouse ears, right? So it depends on the fabric that you choose. If that happens, it's really easy. All you have to do is pin to the front here, both sides. Here, and pin. So you pull down the ears so you don't have the Mickey Mouse ears. Fuzzle always makes fun of me when I have those ears. It's quite annoying. Okay. Ta-da! There you go. See? Then you look neat, so you can go about your day, not worry because it doesn't come off ever. So you needed 2 pins for that. Well, one is optional.